Dear students, in this video, I'm going to explain some important questions of the sets. Question number 1. If universal set equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and A equals to even numbers, B equals to prime numbers, then you have to list all the elements of the following sets. Part A. If you have to find A is already given, A equals to even numbers. So you will write all the even numbers between the range 1 till 10, because universal set equals to 1 till 10. So you have to take all those numbers which are the even numbers but between this range. Now B equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers. It means in the universal set you have to select the prime numbers but only in this range, not greater than the universal set. Now in C part, A complement. Universal set is given and A is also given. A complement means E minus A. So you are subtracting A from E, then remaining elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So A complement equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now B complement means you have to subtract B from E. A is given, B is given. So when you will subtract it, the remaining elements are 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now in E part, you have to find A union B. It means you are combining all the elements of A with B. So A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. So when you will combine both sets, then it is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. Now in F part, you have to find A intersection B. A intersection B means all the elements which are common between A and B. So A set is given, B set is given. So the common elements between these two sets is only 2. Only 2 is common between these two sets. So in the next part, A intersection B complement. It means all those elements which are common between A and between B complement. So first of all, you have to find B complement, and then after finding B complement, then you will find the common elements between B complement and A. So universal set is given, A is given, B is also given. First of all, you are finding E minus B. It means B complement. So B complement equals to 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. And now the common elements between B complement and A are 4, 6, 8, 10. Now in H part, A complement intersection B. Again you will find A complement. A complement means E minus A. It means you are subtracting all the elements of A from universal set. So A is given, A is given, and B is also given. So E minus A equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And the common elements between A complement and B are 3, 5, 7. Now A union B complement. E equals to, again the same set. B complement means E minus B. So first you will find E minus B. So elements of E minus B, or you can say the elements of B complement are 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now A union B complement equals to 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Here you are combining all the elements of B complement with A. So it is equals to 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now in J part, again A complement union B, you are combining A complement with B. So first of all you will find A complement, which is equals to E minus A. It means you are subtracting all the elements of set A from universal set. So E minus A equals to 13579, and A complement union B means now you are combining A complement with B So your after combining these elements, your answer is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. And now in K part, again A complement union B complement. First you will find A complement, then B complement, then you have to combine both sets. So A complement equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, B complement equals to 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and when you will combine both sets, you will write all the elements in this set 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in the intersection again, you have to find the common elements between A complement intersection B complement. It means common elements between A complement and B complement, which are 1 and 9. Now A intersection B whole complement. It means first of all you will find A intersection B, and then you will subtract A intersection B from universal set. So A intersection B equals to 2. Then you will subtract 2 from the universal set, and the remaining elements are 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you will write A intersection B whole complement equals to this. Similarly, A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement. Universal set is given. First of all, you have to find A union B. A union B means you have to find all the elements of A with B. So A union B equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are combining A with B. That's why you're writing all the elements. Now you have to subtract all these elements from universal set. Remaining elements are 1, 9. So your answer is only 1, 9. Here A union B, this is A union B complement. Now you have to revise all these questions, and you can draw the Venn diagrams by the same method which I have explained in my last video. So best of luck for your test. Thank you so much for watching the video.